Dahlias, one of the favorites. Perfect for the season. In a centerpiece, compote style, on trend. Let me show you how it's done. The mechanics, footed compote, midnight foam pre-soaked with flower food, 1/3 of a brick, and then taped into place. To conceal those mechanics, using a bit of foliage. Israeli ruscus is always nice with the depth of green, placing it in, radiating, bringing it around so that it conceals the tape. Then also bringing it upward to draw the eye to the top of the arrangement. Then adding in some clematis vine. This is actually foraged right outside the creative center. It's a wild bush that's out there and adds beautiful texture, a little bit lighter green hue. And again, just radiating and then breaking the line of the container so that it starts to drape just a bit over the edge. To enhance the base, some hanging amaranths will continue drawing the eye down. Just make sure you insert it deeply so it will drink well, and letting it drape over. Repeat that. To bring it up a little bit, but still letting it drape. And then bringing it around to the back side. And additionally, adding some hypericum, because it will brighten, add a little bit of volume to the design. Picking up the color of the amaranthus and drawing it upward. Now, beautiful dahlias, their faces so grand. Just giving them a cut and then setting them in place, making sure their faces look correctly. Repeating. Grouping so that they draw attention to each other, doing a little bit of depth, and then bringing on around to the front. And repeating that until you run out of dahlias, because you certainly want to use them all. As a final touch, adding some texture with coneflower, just placing it down in, getting a bit of contrast between it and the dahlias, and then also some cottage yarrow to soften. Just placing that in, round and about, making sure you balance it front to back, and that you add just that bit of lightness with the cottage yarrow. The recipe, I started with a base. I used 5 stems of the Israeli ruscus, and then I foraged for the wild clematis vine and added that in. Then for the flowers, the stars, 10 fabulous dahlias. Then I filled in with 10 stems of hypericum, 10 stems of hanging amaranthus, 10 cottage yarrow, and 10 coneflower. So working in even bunches of 10 made it quite easy. The season comes with such intensity of color and so many fabulous materials. You'll find more at the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find your favorite treasures of the season, create a centerpiece, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.